सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Second chapter, verse number 36. अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम् ततो दुःखतरं नु किम्। Lord Krishna initiating Arjuna to fight in this Kurukshetra battle. तात्विक दृष्ट्या आत्म दृष्ट्या Arjuna need not worry about his near and dear. Tatvika drishtya means atma drishtya, adhyatmika drishtya or paramarthika drishtya, philosophical angle. Even if it is the jiva is going to perish, that body is going to leave. It is anityam only. So whatever is anityam, why you have to cry for that? Anyhow they are going to die. Jatasya dhruvo mrityuhu. Therefore Arjuna, for that also you need not grieve. You can fight in the battlefield. Dharmika drishtya, dharma drishtya, if you don't perform your duty, that is fighting, kshatriya duty, you will get pratyavaya papam, omission. Not doing your own duty, it creates a problem or papam. You incur a sin. This is dharmika drishti. If you see from the angle of laukika drishti, from the worldly angle, the least you keep dharma aside, atma aside, but you see as a normal, simple, worldly, mundane life who is living. From that worldly standpoint also, better you have to fight. This is an incidental point, middle actually. Lord Krishna going to a philosophical Atma is talking. But this Laukika Drishti in the middle is an incidental point. Therefore he tells, people will look down upon you, your energy, your strength, your power, your name and fame. You will lose. If you fight, the Swargadwaram will be open. But if you don't fight, you will get sin. Not only that, people will look down upon you. In this 36th shloka, what Lord Krishna says, Tava ahitaha. Tava ahitahan means your enemies, who are not your well-wishers. Who are not well-wishers of Arjuna? Karna, Duryodhana, Dushyasana. Who are all your enemies. Tava, yours. Ahitaha, not well-wishers means shatrus. what they do? Avachya-vadan bahun vadishyanti. Avachya-vadan. Even I cannot utter those words, whatever they are talking about you. They yell at you. They talk about evil about you. All wrong way of expressions they do. Even I cannot say through my mouth. The avachya means that which I cannot explain. Avachya. Vachya means explicable. I can explain. Avachya means that which I cannot explain. Avachya. Vadan means the words. Vadan means words. Bahun, not one or two, many. Bahun. Vadishyanti. They will speak, they will utter. Vad dhatu, rit, future tense. Vadishyanti. Those people will talk about you which I cannot say through my mouth. Not only that, tava samarthyam nindanti. Your capacity, caliber, tava, yours. Samarthyam means capacity, power, caliber. Samarthasya bhavaha samarthyam. That samarthyam they will nindanti, they criticize. Nindanti, they look down upon you. Tava samarthyam nindanti. Not only that, finally he concludes. Tataha dukkhataram kimnu. More than that, greater than that, what is dukkha you require? This is the highest dukkha, that which pains you. That's why our people say, if you slip off, you can take back your step. If you slip off, you can take back. If the words you slip off, you cannot take them back. That's why external physical pain is not a pain. Physical wound also, it won't hurt as much. But the inner heart, mental pain is so much hurting. One word that hurts. That's why this wound, it will disappear after some time. You see, manasula padna gayam anu solluvan illaya. The gayam, the wound, you cannot heal that much easily. Very difficult to heal the mental wound, inner pain. So that what you are going to get by listening those words. What can be more painful than this, Arjuna? So I said, I will tell you one story, I remember. Before that story, I will tell one more sloka, beautiful, how that the prestige question, prestige, name and fame, how important for a person in the society to live a happy life, peaceful life. You require some composure, a good neighbors, and all these people you require a lot. The whole person life will depend on that. Relatives, friends, neighbors. So that sloka tells, that sloka, it's like a line, 2 lines will come. Manameva abhirakshantu anityo bhavati pranaha. The life is anityam. Prana, nama uyir this is anityam, temporary. Anityo bhavati pranaha. Manameva rakshantu. Manam means respect, your own respect, self-esteem, your own respect. That your status, that you can call, what you can call, your name and fame, you have to protect yourself. Manameva abhirakshantu. The popularity should not go. Popularity should not go. And no one should talk about you. That opportunity you should not give to them. That opportunity we should not give, we have to be very careful. Manameva avirakshantu. Anityo bhavati pranaha. This manam, the respect, self-esteem, this name and fame are like what? Manahatu achandra tarakam. Achandra tarakam means as long as this moon and sun, stars shine, this your respect, self-esteem also, even you leave this body, it will continue. நம்ம போனாலும் கூட அது இருக்கும். Oh, that person, ரொம்ப நல்லவன். He is very good person. He is very kind. He is so compassionate. Appa. He is, very nice person. We missed him a lot. And சொல்லுறோம். If that person passes away, people, his kirti continues. He is famous. That people, he is very famous in the society. So that continues. Nowadays, people are not working for that, but writing the names and giving some donation and keeping their name like a stamp madre. Not that way your name continue, but your good character, good behavior, good conduct, that only remains. So, this is the word Achandra Tarakam. So, what for we have to work for? To be as a good person in the society, we have to work for that. That is very, very important. It will continue even if I leave this body also, it will continue. As a mature person, will always work for that. So, Arjuna, take care of your name and fame, your self-esteem. Never lose that. It is toughest job really, not so easy. To get itself is a difficult thing. Getting self-esteem, some name and fame, good name. Name and fame is not popularity. Cinema actor also popular and other people are also popular. We are not talking about that popularity. A virtuous life, a dharmic life, very noble person. That is difficult to achieve. After getting such a great name and fame, you are not an ordinary person. Sambhavitaha, for such a person who is already honored by many people, thousands of people, if you get that ill fame, it's more miserable. So always the Rajas want to get glorification. But I want to tell the story. Olden days, these poets, what is their job? Asthana Kavi and Shulva. The poets will go to Asthanam Raja. Whenever they want money, they praise the Raja. Once they praise the Raja, Raja will give some money. So they survive like that. Their Pandityam. So one poet went to one king and he started praising that Raja, king. How he is praising? He says, I will tell in English only that explanation. You are so great than Lord Shiva, he is going to say. Oh, a king, you are so great than Lord Shiva. How Lord Shiva can become greater than the king? And he says, see, Lord Shiva, half of the body Parvati has taken. What are all things Shiva lost? He says. You are only great. Half of the body Parvati has taken. Okay. Then another person, one person name is Shankar Narayanan. He has taken his name, Shankarana Shivan. So the name of that Shiva, Shankara, taken by one person. His name is called Shankara Narayanan. Your pair. This is like a funny sloka. Okay, don't take it literally. So Shankara Narayanan and pair vechirukkan. Appo Shivan pair also gone. Shankara and pair gone. So two gone. Half of the body, Shankara and pair is gone. Then third one is Ganga, when she came, She sat on his head, but what happened? And she came and she is going to ocean. Ganga has gone to ocean. Ganga kuda kadiyadu avarkitta. Ocean, she is joining in the ocean. That's why our water wholly going to ocean. We are not able to utilize that water. Then the moon on the head of the Lord Shiva gone to the sky. The moon has gone to the sky. Then the snake, what he is wearing, all of them gone to Patadaloka. Snake, no, Patadaloka, Nagalokam, the snakes ella irukkum. All snakes gone to Patadaloka, that is Nagaloka. Then that omniscience, the power of that king, omniscience, the power, name, fame, wealth, prosperity, everything came to you. Oh king, all came to you. Then one more is there, last final. The Bhiksha Patram is there. The Shiva always having Bhiksha Patram. So that Bhiksha Patram came to me. This poet says, that Bhiksha Patram came to me. So therefore I am very poor. You are omniscient. Give money. That king was so happy. See, the Lord Shiva's omniscience fully came to me. Immediately he gives the Ratna Mala to the. Like these Rajas are very, very fond of, Jalra. We can say Jalra. They want always appreciation, praise. If you praise, they will give anything. If you also want anything. So, just a joke, okay. And another, one more poet said, all tidhis, tidhi, ekadasi, dvadasi, trayodasi, chaturdasi, tidhis are coming. One tidhi always staying in my house. He went to one Raja. He said, there is a pun in that, no? It is very nice, humorous and pun. One tidhi is always staying in my house. What is that tidhi, Ekadasi. Ekadasi always staying in my house and anartham. Eppame upavasam. I am always doing upavasam only. Ekadasi is staying in my house. Oh Raja. Raja purinji poyidum. You need not ask, please give money. And kekave venda. So Raja understand. No, so this person want money. No, he gives money. Very funny shlokas. Okay. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 37. Hato va prapyasi svargam jitva va bhokshase mahim tasmaduttishta kaunteya युद्धाय कृत निश्चयः हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्. If you are killed by Kauravas, suppose you are killed by Kauravas, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You will go to Swarga. Swargam prapsyasi. Prapsyasi means you will attain, you will reach. Swargam prapsyasi. Or, va means or. Otherwise, if you kill the Kauravas, or Kauravas killed by you, Jitva, this means conquering, by victorious on Kauravas. If you conquer them, Jitva, Mahim Bhokshase, you can enjoy this whole kingdom. Mahi means this Prithvi. This kingdom, Prithvi, you will enjoy the kingdom. Therefore, both the sides, no, good only. If you are killed by them, you will go to Swarga. Plus point. If you kill them, you will get kingdom, you will enjoy. Anyhow, you are going to enjoy. Either here you enjoy or enjoy in the Swarga. Why can't you fight? Tasmat, therefore, Uttishta, get up. Therefore, Arjuna, get up, fight. Tasmat, therefore, Uttishta, you get up. Kaunteya, O Arjuna, Kaunteya, O Arjuna, you get up. So get up and don't run away. Yuddhaya krita nischayaha. How you, with what motive you have to get up? Yuddhaya krita nischayaha. Determine. Nischaya means firmly, strongly determine, I will fight in this battlefield. With that intention you have to get up. Take up your bow. You are leaving your bow now. So take up that. With that nischaya, with that determination, with that resolve, you have to get up and fight with them. What will happen? Two things will happen in the battlefield. Either you will kill by Kauravas or you will kill them. In the no other third thing. No? Only these two. So both the ways you are going to be benefited. Why can't you fight? Therefore, get up. That is the best way. Next one, 38. Sukha dukhe same kritva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papamavapsyasi. Every person in one's life so, sukha and dukkha same kritva. See, the life is full of pair of opposites. Arjuna, be ready for that. If you kill them, it is a plus point. You will get sukha, rajyam. That means life, there is a success and failure. Suppose you take it as a failure. No, suppose Kauravas win the war, it is a failure for you. No? You think it is a failure. Suppose you conquer them, it is a success for you. So, sukham, the success gives sukham, failure gives dukkham. So, always we expect what in our life? We expect success. And we want to avoid that failure. We struggle to avoid the failure as much as possible. But the result, either success or failure, it is going to come. It is not totally in our hands. It is not totally in our hands. We take only effort. And the fan would stop. When we are performing our duties, the pair of opposites bound to come. What are all they? Sukha and dukkha. Sukha means happiness. Dukkha means sorrow. So sukha, dukkha. Labha, alabha. All of you look at me. Okay, labha, alabha. Labha means gain. Alabha means loss. Labha, alabha. And the third pair of opposites is jaya, apajaya. Sukha, dukkha is one pair. Where there is sukha, there is dukkha bound to come. Except in one thing, Atma Jnana. Because it is not a sukha which we have acquired in a course of time. All other sukhams, we have acquired in the course of time. Once we have acquired, they are bound to go. This is the fact we have to understand. Remember this. Atmananda is not created Ananda. Atma is Swarupa Ananda. It has not born Ananda. Therefore, except in Atmananda, there is only the Sukham. That Sukham will never go. All other Sukhams will go. May go, will go, no certainty. A mature person thoroughly analyze this and understand. Understand? Similarly, Sukha Dukkha, similarly, third, Jaya, Apajaya also. Always success is not possible. Many times failure also. Jaya, Apajaya. In every attempt, we cannot say all my attempts I may get success. It is not so. So therefore, we are always afraid of failure. Wherever there is success, there is an other side of the coin, failure. There is a possibility. So therefore, we have to be ready for that failure also. Same kritva, Krishna says, hey Arjuna, same kritva. Success or failure in the battlefield, you have to look at them. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Equanimous mind you have to develop. So keeping Arjuna in the mind, Lord Krishna teaching a lesson to all of us. See, main problem is failure, loss, sorrow. No, it is always threatening us in one's own life. They are bound to come. Anytime they come, in any form they come, but never lose your heart. That is called maturity. Arjuna, labha, alabha also, gain and loss, victory and defeat, all of them same kritva. You have to, regarding all these pairs of opposites, same kritva, look at them alike. Tataha, therefore, with that attitude, same kritva, having made your mind equal towards this pair of opposites. Once this is there, that will be there. That is there, this will be there. Day is there, night will come. Night is there, day will come. Light is there, darkness will come definitely. So therefore, all these things you have to make it equal mind and matter. You cannot make them equal. You have to make your mind, prepare your mind to look at them in a balanced mind. Never elated in Sukha, Labha and Jaya. Never depressed in Apajaya, Alabha and Dukkha. So look at them objectively. Objectively look at them. Why I have to look at them? Because no choice. Where there is choice, you can change. Where there is no choice, you cannot change. What you have to do? Accept. Accept it. Develop tolerance. Mental toughness. You have to develop. Where there is no choice, better to accept it. Nimmadi. Illenna ennahum? Anxiety, tension. Mental problems, unknowingly, they're all hidden in that. Engyo ullakulla varum. That fear, I cannot face failure, I cannot face the failure in my life, that fear. Arjuna, never think like that. No? Both are, you have to make samekritva. Samekritva tataha yujyasva, prepare, yuddhaya. With that mind, with that attitude, this is called transition sloka. Arjuna is bringing the transition time, in the mind of Arjuna. Samekritva yuddhaya yujyasva. Prepare. Yujyasva means prepare. Prepare for what? Again, Lord Krishna reminding. Prepare your mind not to run away. Not to go to Rishikesh. Enna Delhi ke pakkathula na Hastinapur Kurukshetra pakkathula Rishikesh. Ange poi na sannyasam vaangikren solraru. So don't think like that. Yuddhaya, to fight in the battlefield. Evam na papam avapsyasi. If you fight in this manner, samekritva, no, all this pair of opposites, if you make them equal in your mind, balance them, face them equally, then what will happen? Papam nava avapsyasi. You will not get sin. You will not incur papam. If you fight in this manner. That's why one person asked, one journalist, one great person, a business magnate. No, that person, he introduced by a journalist. The journalist asked this great person, what is the secret of your success? The secret of success is experience. He said, the great person said, my success, behind this success there is a secret. That secret is nothing but experience. Then the journalist asked the second question, what is the secret of your experience? How you got that much experience to become so successful in your life? Experience I got because of failure. So because of failure we learn so many things, really. We learn less by success. We learn more by failure. This failure, many great people undergone so many failures in their life. That's why he said, when he is talking that time itself, the journalist interviewing him, one person came, suddenly, he is a Karodpati. He came, he lost his whole, his ship, business ship, sunk in the water. He lost everything. He is going to become a pauper next day. Then immediately he said, what? Once your whole property has gone, what will happen? You say, what? Next moment he says, so what? So what? Gone, his past is dead and gone. I am not going to get it. So what? So easily he has taken it. But at the same time, the surprise is second, it has come. First time itself, so what? And the first time, the surprise, that choking, it comes a fraction of second. A mature person immediately recover. Even a Vedantic student also who is studying Shastra, there are pains in the family when I am taking responsibilities are there. There are a lot of disturbances. It disturbs the person. Still, he recovers fast. What is that? Frequency? Intensity, FIR. Frequency is reduced. Intensity also will reduce. He will not worry too much. No. And recovery period also reduce. He recovers so fast. That is the advantage. So you can see how your growth in Vedanta by observing this FIR, care of your previous notes. I have explained sufficiently. Papam na avapsyasi. You will not incur papam. So therefore, Arjuna, this is also a sort of Jnana Yoga method. So the jnanam, this is a wisdom. No? Looking at failure and success, equally it's not so easy. So therefore, now Lord Krishna is going to enter into Karma Yoga. In 39 onwards. 38 we have completed. 39 onwards, Karma Yoga, he briefly gives. This 39 formal conclusion he does. Jnana Yoga, formal conclusion. He completes. Now in this shloka, the 39th shloka onwards, he puts the seed. This is seed verse of Karma Yoga. Based on this, the third chapter will begin. So how that Bhagavan proceed to Karma Yoga, we will read the shloka 39. Esha te bhihita sankhye buddhir yoge tvimam shrunu buddhya yukto yaya partha karma bandham prahasyasi. One has to develop equanimous mind. How one can develop? By practicing Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga attitude that brings equanimous mind, balanced mind. Karma Yoga or Samadhi Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga. Life is with full of opposites. But we, unfortunately or fortunately, we do not know what is going to happen. That is, I do not know why Bhagavan kept like this. One way it is safe also. So, we do not know about the future, unpredictable. So therefore, even Jnani, including Jnani also cannot avoid the pair of opposites. துக்கம் இருந்துட்டு இருக்கும். உடம்புக்கு வந்தால் துக்கம்தான். அவருக்கு கால் வலி இருக்காது, ஞானம் வந்த சுவாமினி இப்பவே சொல்லறேன் முன்னாடியே. ஈவன் யூ ஸ்டடி வேதாந்தா, யூ கெட் ஞானம் ஆல்சோ, யூ கேனாட் அவாய்ட் த பெயின். டிசைட் பண்ணுங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸுக்கு வரணுமா வேண்டாமான்னு. Many times I say you are free from sorrow, you are free from sorrow, I am telling. So immediately you measure. Innum poliye sorrow, poliye. So physical pain you cannot avoid. External disturbances you cannot avoid. Vedanta gives only a composure, a mind that you can withstand with the failure, you can withstand the pain. That only Vedanta does. It will never bring any change in the body or in the atmosphere or circumstances or in the people. It will never do that. For example, see, road is not proper. There is a glass pieces are there, stones are there. There are so many rubbish things are there on the road. Can you put the red carpet on every road wherever you are going? Can you put? நான் எங்கெங்க போறானோ அங்கெல்லாம் ரெட் கார்பெட் போட்டுட்டு போறேன்னா முடியுமா? Impossible. Roads are like that only. Glass pieces will be there, stones will be there, rubbish things will be there. What to do? Better to save from them. என்ன போட்டணும்? செப்பல் போட்டுக்கோ. You wear cheppal, that's enough. Simple thing. You need not put carpet on the road. It is impossible. What is the pragmatic, practical, intelligent way of doing? Wear cheppal. You are free from glass pieces, stones, all rubbish things. This is the intelligent way of living. அதே மாதிரி Instead of changing, wife try to change husband, husband try to change wife, parents want to change children, children want to change the parents. So everybody want to manipulate others. Avanu change aganum, we are thinking. Is it possible? It's like putting red carpet on the road. Every time, this is what our struggle, whole life struggle is this only. Connected people to us, they should change. They must change. No, so forcefully we talk. You should change, otherwise you go. We are ready to leave the person. Impossible. Try to understand. By experience it will come at the age of 90. Adella venda. But at the age of 90, husband knows, I cannot change my wife. At the age of 90, therinjittu enna prayojanam. At the age of 85, she also knows, Swamini, I cannot change him. He avar appadida. Adi enna prayojanam 85th year la. Realize as early as possible. If you realize 90th year, 85th year, in all these years what you did? Fighting, struggling, miserable life. So, this is called accommodation. Let her be as she is. Let him be as he is. So, as long as they do not disturb our inner core, let them their behavior, nature. So, therefore, we have to develop this tolerance power. Vedanta does that. Just as you put chappal to yourself, safe, easy method, simple method, similarly, Vedanta teaches us how to change your attitude towards the world, towards the people, towards the other people's behavior. Never fight with others. Instead of fighting, keep quiet. Look at them. Either they will learn, if there is a possibility, a chance of choice there to change them, use it. If there is no choice, there is no chance, better to undergo. Very, very difficult. Otherwise, our life will become miserable. And what for we have come, moksha, idhikku vela panna vendamo, idhikaga nama vela pannanume nariya. Avanukku sanda pottite irundha eppoda nama padikka porom. It is a non-ending process, that is. Adjusting others, changing others. எல்லாம் நார்மல் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் இது எப்படி இருக்குன்னு அலை ஓஞ்சி ஸ்நானம் பண்ண மாதிரி. இந்த சமுத்திரம் கிட்ட போய் ஒரு ஆள் டேக் பாத் அண்ணா, நோ நோ நோ, ஆல் வேவ்ஸ் ஸ்டாப், ஐ வில் டேக் பாத் அண்ணா. Similarly, some people tell, they say, Swamini, let me all responsibility. கல்யாணம், பொண்ணு கல்யாணம் ஆகட்டும், பையனுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகட்டும், அதெல்லாம் முடிச்சிருந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நான் வேதாந்தா கிளாஸுக்கு வரேன்னா. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? கிராண்ட் சில்ட்ரன் வில் கம், இந்த பேபி சிட்டிங். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் முடிச்சுட்டு வரேன்னா வேதாந்தம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு 10 வருஷம் ஆகிடும். பை தட் டைம் வாட் ஏஜ்? ஸோ அது மாதிரி ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ், ஆல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் செட்டிலிங், கோயிங் டு வேதாந்த கிளாஸ் இஸ் குதிரை கொம்பு மாதிரிண்ணா, முயல் கொம்பு வச்சுக்கோங்க, முயல் கொம்பு மாதிரி நடக்காத காரியம். நவ் ஹியர் இட் செல்ஃப் ஸ்டார்ட் வேதாந்தா. Very difficult. As long as you are in this world, there is no end to your duties. வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அது ஒரு பக்கம் இருக்கட்டும், நம்ம பாட்டி நம்ம படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கலாம். இது இன்டெலிஜென்ட் வே. Otherwise our life, it will not come back. Careful. It will never come back. The years gone are gone, that's all. Gone for good. Never come back. Never, no use of repenting later. So therefore, Arjuna, now I will give you 2 ways, 2 methods. Esha buddhihi abhita se. We have not read this sloka? Oh, sorry. 39th sloka. We'll read. Esha. You are read. Okay. Abhita buddhihi. This knowledge imparted to you till now. Jnana yoga, what I have imparted to you, I have given to you. Abhita means I taught to you. That what is that buddhi? Knowledge. This knowledge, this discrimination Atma Anatma Vivekam. Atma is the original nature. Anatma, body, mind, complex is not original nature. This knowledge is called Buddhi here. Deals with Sankhya. This is called Sankhya. Samyak Khyayate. That which very clearly deals with the knowledge in Artham. Sankhya. Jnana Yoga. Sankhya, other name Jnana Yoga. There is another Sankhya, that is Kapila Sankhya. It is a Kapila Sankhya philosophy is different. Here Sankhya is a knowledge. That's why this title verse, this is title song மாதிரி பிக்சருக்கு சீரியலுக்கு ஒரு டைட்டில் சாங் போடுவோம் இல்லையோ, நம்ம அத்தியாயத்துக்கு டைட்டில் என்னன்னா இந்த ஸ்லோகம்ல தான் இருக்கு. சாங்கிய. சாங்கிய மீன்ஸ் ஞானம், விஸ்டம். சாங்கிய புத்தி. This is called Sankhya. Deals with Sankhya means with knowledge, Brahman artham. This is Tattva Jnana Vishayaha is called Sankhya. Tattva Jnana Vishayaha Sankhya. So that Sankhya that which I have given, imparted to you until now, it is called Sankhya, means Upanishadic teaching in artham. எங்கே சொல்லியிருக்க இந்த ஆத்மா பற்றி எல்லாமே என்ன உபனிஷத்துல சொல்லியிருக்கான். உபனிஷதிக் டீச்சிங். Until now I have given to you. Now what am I going to do? Imam, the following, this following teaching. Now, yoge, shrunu, which deals with karma yoga, shrunu, may you listen. Imam yoge, which deals with yoga, karma yoga, nishkama karma. I am going to talk about that very briefly. So the Jnana Yoga also briefly, 11 to 30 shlokas he has given. And Karma Yoga also he is giving very few shlokas. 3-4 shlokas he gives. Then he elaborates third chapter fully for Karma Yoga. Then Jnana Yoga he takes 7th chapter, 9th chapter, 4th chapter, 5th chapter, 13th chapter, 14th chapter. All these chapters are Jnana Yoga. So, now I am going to talk. Yoga means what? Karma Yoga or Nishkama Karma Yoga. Like this, Yuktaha Yaya Buddhya Prahasyasi Karma Bandham. Endowed with this knowledge. Endowed with this knowledge means what? By this Karma Yoga knowledge. I am going to give this Karma Yoga knowledge now. I am going to impart the knowledge about Karma Yoga. By getting that knowledge, what benefit you are going to get, Arjuna? Karma bandham prahasyasi. You will be free from bondage of karma. Agami karma, sanchita karma, prarabdha karma. All these 3 karmas, you will be free now. Prahasyasi, you will give up the bondage of karma. That bondage which is caused by all our actions. Karma leads to Janma. Janma leads to Karma. So it binds the person. How to come out? I'll give the technique. If you do perform karma alone, it binds. No? As a karmi, it binds. If you do karma yoga, it will not bind. Why this karma yoga at all? இப்போதானே ஞான யோகம் பற்றி சொன்னேன். ஏன்னா ஞான யோக அந்த பிராப்தி, I have given information, but எனக்கு ஞானம் வரணுமே. இந்த ஞானம் வரணும்னா ஒரு அர்ஹதை வேணும். இந்த ஞான யோக்கியதா, ஞான பிராப்திக்கு என்ன வேணும்? You require a qualification. How you get qualification? By pure mind only you get qualification. Chitta shuddhi dvara eva ಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೋಗ್ಯತಾ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ. Pure mind alone gives, it's a qualification for jnanam. How I get pure mind? That's the question. சரி, பியூர் மைண்ட் இருந்தாதான் ஞான யோக்கியதா வரும், ஞான யோக்கியதா இருந்தாதான் ஞான வரும், அதுதெல்லாம் ஞான யோகம். ஸோ எனக்கு பியூர் மைண்டே இல்லைன்னு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா அதுக்கு தான் கர்மயோகா. ஃபார் சித்த சுத்தி கர்மயோகா. Jnana yoga is impossible, Arjuna, without karma yoga. Karma yoga is the preparation for jnana yoga. Karma yoga prepares the person to get what? That atma jnanam. Nasato vidyate bhavaha na bhavo vidyate sataha. Inge paathom previous shlokas. Highest knowledge he has given. That is possible only a person who is having a pure mind. Chitta shuddhi yarukku irukuma. Chittamana mind. Antahkaranam. Shuddhi means pure. Once it is pure only, he will get that knowledge. So, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? சித்த சுத்தி வேணும். சித்த சுத்தி வரணும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? கர்ம யோகம் பண்ணு. எப்படி பண்ணணும் கர்ம யோகம்? நான் சொல்றேன், அப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுன்னு. So, karma bandham prahasyasi. You will be free from karma bandha. The bondage is the only cause for all problems. What is that karma yoga? He does a stuti first. அதுக்கப்புறம் கர்ம யோகம் பத்தி விவரமா சொல்ல போறாரு. நேஹா விக்ரமநாசோஸ்தி பிரத்யவாயோ ந வித்யதே ஸ்வல்பமப்யஸ்ய தர்மஸ்ய த்ராயதே மஹதோ பயாத். So Arjuna, you asked for Shreyas. What is the best for me? Hey Krishna, give to me, you asked. What mother does for the sake for the health of the baby, what mother gives? மருந்து, பிட்டர் மருந்து கொடுப்போம். ஐ won't want அண்ணா, you have to take அண்ணா. அது மாதிரி this karma yoga, what he is going to give, paramparaya moksha karanam. What I am going to give karma yoga, Arjuna, this is paramparaya, indirectly helps, is a cause for moksha. Shreyasukaக தான் அப்பா நான் கொடுக்குறேன் இந்த கர்ம யோகம். It is going to give moksha only. Arjuna, Krishna, you are asking me to fight in this battlefield. In this battle you are asking me to fight and you are telling I will get moksha. என்ன கனெக்ஷனு? ஏதோ ஜபம் பண்ணு, தியானம் பண்ணு, ஸ்ரவணம் பண்ணுன்னா ஏதோ மோட்சம் வருவான்னு I can believe. But Lord Krishna, see, this is very tough to understand. People, it is a long rope. You have to take a long rope. Karma yoga dwara, isn't it? Karma yoga becomes the parampara karanam. எதுக்குன்னா மோட்சத்துக்கு. ஸ்ரேயஸ் தானே உனக்கு வேணும். அந்த ஸ்ரேயஸ் எப்படி வரும்? கர்மயோகம் பண்ணு. எப்படி பண்ணணும் கர்மயோகம்? That karma yoga, he stuti first he does. அதுக்கப்புறம் he explains. What is the stuti? If you do karma yoga, even if you start, அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் ரிசல்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையோ அது வந்துடும் உனக்கு, வேஸ்டா போகாதுன்னு. நேஹ ந இஹ அவிக்ரமநாசஹ அஸ்தி. அந்த பிராரம்ப, when you start karma yoga, suppose you are not able to complete, suppose it will not go waste. Prarambha nashaha na asti. Whatever you have done, and whatever 1 day or 2 days or 1 hour or 2 hours, that result you will get. Nishkama karma or karma yoga phalam it gives to you. Neha na iha avikramanashaha asti pratyavayaha na vidyate. There is no any adverse results also in this. There is no failure. There is no adverse results where? in Karma Yoga. Yogi, what I am going to impart, in that there is no loss. Whatever you do, you will get benefit. But whereas in karma, mere karma, there is a loss, there are an adverse effects. But in karma yoga, even a little bit, swalpamapyasya dharmasya, even little bit you do karma yoga, it gives tons of benefit. But natural people are all karmis, not karma yogis. In the secret தெரியாது. கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா ஸ்துதி பண்றார். கர்ம யோகத்தினுடைய ஸ்துதி, glorification. இது தெரிஞ்ச you are a luckiest person. தெரியலன்னா பிரத்யவாய பாபம் வந்துடும், எல்லாமே கஷ்டம்தான், கர்ம பந்தம் இருக்கும். See the secret. As you are doing your duties, இப்படி பண்ணு, நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி பண்ணு, உனக்கு ஸ்ரேயஸ் கிடைக்கும். இஹலோகம் பரலோகம் எல்லாமே ஸ்ரேயஸ். Everything will come. What is that karma yoga? That we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.